Alright guys, today is the day that we are going to PPF the hood, the roof, and the trunk, along with the rest of the small bits that we missed last time, like redoing the trunk, redoing the gas fill, lid, and then maybe some more protection areas here on the sills, things like that, down here as well. So we're gonna go ahead and finish that up and probably get this thing finally cleaned up. All the little sections that need to be altered, we're gonna finish that up, and then we're probably gonna ceramic coat the car as well. So we're gonna go ahead and pull it in. We just got it cleaned up and final cleaned, final polished for those spots I just mentioned. And so now we're gonna go ahead and start applying the PPF.
Hey Jarrett, talk to me. What are we doing?
Tell me, Joe, why are you so tired? Tell me.
I'm very sleepy.
Very sleepy.
I'm a very sleepy boy. The good thing is that since the camera's not looking at me, I could sleep while I'm talking to you.
It's time to wrap the hood on this beautiful 2019 F90 M5.
F90.
3M Pro.
3M Pro?
3M Pro in 3 pieces. Very weirdly, because they ran out of 5 feet.
It's a 3-piece hood?
It's a 3-piece hood. Even though it looks like 1 piece, it's actually 3 pieces. All in one.
For real?
Somehow.
Oh. It does look like it's 1 piece.
It does, doesn't it? Except for that piece and that piece.
All right. Is it game time? Jarrett,
Joe,
where are we?
we're somewhere in my shop, near the back of it.
No, but where are we on this?
We are finishing the top of the trunk.
Okay.
And then we gotta do the bottom of the trunk, maybe.
At the bottom?
In the bottom?
Oh, this piece?
That piece. Or at least maybe this bottom piece.
Is the rear bumper wrapped?
Nope.
Okay.
Usually don't wrap rear bumper.
Oh,
Too hard.
that's fair. The curvature's too trash.
Too trash.
Too trash.
Unless you're changing color. Vita.
Oh. Oh no. Oh no.
You might be able to do in 1 piece. If you make it a little bit wide, you can cut 1 in half. And
It's like magic.
Do you believe in magic in a young girl's heart?
What a view. You can wrap those sides.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
For being a movie that's been like 6 years, fucking at one point, because they're ripping off Mad Max train, Furiosa.
Yeah, that was crazy that there was like a whole Furiosa bit.
Furiosa. Furiosa. Leviosa.
Cocaine in my nose, got rose in my cup, though. Started climbing my OG, got me locked in on cup, though. Cocaine in my nose, got rose in my cup, though. Started climbing my OG, got me locked in on cup, though.
All right, guys, so it looks like we just finished up. How did it go, Logan?
Went pretty well.
Yeah, the PPF went down. Today was a little bit harder than some of the other days, especially on the trunk. So we got the splitter, we got all the carbon bits, we got the rear spoiler on today, all the PPF. Tomorrow we're gonna go ahead and ceramic coat the whole car, get it cleaned up off camera. We've been cleaning up the little edges here or there on all the PPF. It is looking really, really nice and seamless on the whole car. So once we get that ceramic coat over the surface of it and over the windshields and glass as well, we're just missing a few pieces like the emblem, I think, and a few pieces like that we're going to add on, but we were able to make do with what we had, mostly blacked out sections of that. But on the next episode, we're going to go ahead and try the titanium exhaust that we showed you guys earlier today and install it and see how it does. So any last words, Logan?
Yeah, it's been great.
All right, we'll catch you guys next time.